Breaking barriers, the future of aviation and challenges of supersonic travel. Now, the invention of the aeroplane has undeniably transformed transportation, shrinking the vastness of the earth into a connected global village. Over the years, aviation technology has pushed boundaries from the Wright brothers' fast-powered flight to supersonic breakthroughs like the Concorde, with the ability to slice flight times dramatically, like London to New York in under 3 hours compared to the 7 taken by a standard Boeing aircraft. The Concorde symbolized the pinnacle of speed in commercial aviation, yet its retirement in 2003 marked a significant pause in the race to slash travel times. Now, what are the challenges that have hindered supersonic progress? So despite the marvel of supersonic travel, numerous challenges have stalled the momentum towards faster and more efficient flight. One of the reasons is economic viability. Supersonic aircraft like the Concorde were prohibitively expensive to operate. They had high fuel consumption and their maintenance cost was over the roof. They also had limited seating capacity, which made tickets unaffordable for most travelers. This thereby restricted these services to a niche market, which means very wealthy people are the ones that were only able to access supersonic aircraft like the Concorde. The second challenges that hindered supersonic progress is environmental concerns. So supersonic jets burn significantly more fuel than subsonic aircraft, leading to heightened carbon emissions. Additionally, the sonic booms generated by breaking the sound barrier caused environmental and social issues, including restrictions on overland supersonic flight. The third challenge is technological limitations. Building aircraft that can maintain supersonic speeds safely, efficiently, and quietly presents immense engineering challenges. Materials need to withstand extreme temperatures and stresses, while advancements in engine design must balance power with environmental regulations. Number 4, regulatory and public resistance. Strict noise regulations and community opposition to sonic booms have limited the scope of supersonic operations. Convincing regulators and the public of the benefits without sacrificing environmental and societal standards remains a hurdle. Now, fast forward, enter SpaceX and the Starship vision. Elon Musk's SpaceX, through its Starship project, has introduced a paradigm shift for vision for global transformation. Elon Musk's SpaceX, through its Starship project, has introduced a paradigm-shifting vision for global transportation. The idea of using rockets for terrestrial travel proposes a world where major destinations can be reached in under 30 minutes. For instance, a Starship rocket could theoretically complete a journey from New York to Shanghai in just 20 to 25 minutes, a feat far beyond the capability of conventional aircraft. Musk's proposal leverages reusable rocket technology to drastically reduce costs while offering unparalleled speed. This approach also circumvents the limitation of traditional air travel by operating entirely in the upper atmosphere, where regulations on sonic booms and air traffic congestions do not apply. Now, what are the challenges facing rocket-based transport? While the vision is bold and groundbreaking, implementing such a system is not without challenges. Number one, safety. Rockets inherently involve greater risks compared to planes, requiring near flawless technology and operational protocols to ensure passenger safety. Number two, cost and accessibility. While reusable rockets may reduce costs, the infrastructure for rapid intercontinental space travel, including launch and landing facilities, need massive investment. Making it affordable for the average traveler is an ongoing challenge. Number three, environmental impact. Rockets emit substantial greenhouse gases and pollutants, particularly during launch. Sustainable fuel solutions will be critical to making this vision compatible with global environmental goals. Number four, regulatory barriers. Unlike aviation, which has decades of international frameworks, rocket travel would require entirely new global regulations that addresses safety, airspace management, and liability. A new era of possibility. Despite these challenges, the dream of drastically cutting global travel times persists. Advances in material science, artificial intelligence, and propulsion systems could enable a generation of supersonic or even hypersonic planes that are faster, greener, and more economical. Meanwhile, projects like SpaceX Starship offer an alternative route, potentially leapfrogging aviation altogether. The aviation industry stands at the cusp of a revolution where the next leap could redefine human productivity, interaction, and the concept of distance. Whether through faster aircraft or suborbital rockets, the race to make the world smaller continues. And with innovators like Elon Musk leading the charge, the future of transportation promises to be faster and more extraordinary than ever before. Thank you very much for listening. We call upon you to subscribe to this channel and expect bold, educative, and interacting content. Thank you very much. Till then, adios.